Hey everyone, I'm Cubastic, welcome to my channel. I have just returned from Ukrainian Speedcubing Championship. And you know, my results there were not very good. So I decided to create a new rubric on my channel to help you and me improve our puzzle solving skills. You will find it interesting and useful. You know, when I was at the competition, I saw real champions competing in solving a Rubik's Cube in just a few seconds. After the countdown, they pick up their cubes and solve them with lightning speed. And I decided to compete the same way with you, my viewers, in my new rubric Let's Race, and this is the first episode of Let's Race Show, our own speedcubing competition. And today, you and I are competing in solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Classic 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope you are doing well in solving Rubik's Cube, or like me, not very well. Today you need only a cube and a timer. It could be a stopwatch on your phone, or a special program on a computer like in my case, or even a special timer like this for speedcubing. And we will be solving Rubik's Cube together with you using the same scrambles, so that we will be in the same conditions. Let's start with the first scramble. I hope you know how to do it. Generate a new scramble. Now you see it on the screen. Scramble your cube together with me, so that we will have the same scramble. Okay, let's compare our cubes, they should look like this. And in order to make this game more interesting, let's start at the same time. Oh, frankly, I'm a little nervous. It's like a competition. I'm now afraid to show a bad result. I'm almost ready. If you are ready, then 3, 2, 1, go! Let's solve a Rubik's Cube together and see who will be faster. Ah! 1540, it was so slow. I think you already had time to write a comment, like this video and of course subscribe to my channel. My result is 1540. I enter my first result 15 and 40. It is automatically added to a special panel, and at the end an average result will be calculated. Today we will solve it 5 times as at competitions. I hope your result is better, but I still have 4 solves ahead and you have them too. So here is the next scramble. Let's compare our cubes. They should look exactly like this. This is our second scramble. Let's start together with you at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go! So, already not bad. Already better. I hope that this time will be much faster. I have a very complicated PLL. 1371. God. This is my average time, by the way. The cube is solved and my second attempt is 1371. I enter 13 seconds and 71. And you write your results down there in the comments. That way we will be competing not just with you personally, but with our entire big speedcubing community watching this video. This is the aim of our show Let's Race. When I started the show, I was hoping that you and I could compete and that you could really feel a spirit of competition, a spirit of real speedcubing competition. And also, I hope that if you watch and take part in our show, you will be able to improve your skills in solving Rubik's Cube and other puzzles. Let's go, the third solve. Scramble is on your screen. Check whether we have correctly scrambled the cube and prepare for the next solve. Now I really feel like at a competition. The first 2 attempts were not good, and I don't know if I can solve the next ones faster or slower. As far as I see, the white crust looks good. I'm ready. As soon as you're ready, we will start. So, 3, 2, start. And this is all I planned? Not bad. Bad. Well, and Here again I have bad luck with PLL, look at this. 1464, I can't do anything with this, it's really not a very good result. Look, an interesting situation turned out with my cube now. At competition this can be quite a controversial situation, when your cube has an incomplete turn. In my case, the cube is off by less than 45 degrees for its solved state, so it can be considered solved. But if you have at the end of your solve at competitions an incomplete turn, that means you have a 2-second penalty. And even if the turn is over 45 degrees, this is also a penalty of 2 seconds. So be careful. And I enter my 1464 result in a table. 1464. God, it's so bad that I wanna cry. Here we go, next solve. Let's see if everything okay. Seems alright. I'm ready. If you are ready, 3, 2, 1, go. I made a mistake at the beginning. I already imagine my average. Let's refilm it. 1679! Damn! I wanted to do a show where I'm really good at solving cube, but no, I'm not. And that's my average score, 1679. God, at the competition it was even worse. 1679. Bad, but I've created Let's Race show for this, so that you and I can compete in a real situation with real scrambles from the first time and absolutely honest, without cheating, competing with you honestly. That's how it works, because that's how it would have been if we were sitting at the same table together like this. But I hope you have at least a bit of this feeling, because that's what I'm trying to do. And then, yes, this is my real result. I could have stopped the camera and solved better, but I didn't. So far the average is not even sub 15, god, it's a catastrophe. By the way, at the competitions I solved several times even in 10 seconds, 11 many times. And here, 13 is the best? Okay, the last scramble. Okay. I don't know if the solve will be better or not. Let's see, I wish I do it faster. I'm ready. If you are ready, then 3, 2, 1, go. Well... God! U3 AUF was really bad. 1482, I wonder what will be the average result. My mean is 1507. A mean means we divide a sum of 5 results by 5 and then I get 1507. Mean. And an average, as in competitions, it's when the best and worst out of 5 attempts are not taken into account. 3 others are summed and divided by 3, then it will be average. And my average is 1495. This is my result. All 4 solves and average score, all with the same scrambles that we solved with you. Folks, write your results down in the comments. It will be interesting to look at your level in speedcubing. Well, if you did it faster than me, my congratulations, it wasn't very difficult, I think. I need practice more. My god. So I'm waiting for your results in the comments and I'm sure you will enjoy the next episodes of this show. We will make it regular, so write in the comments what puzzles do you want to solve together with me like this. That was me, Cubastic, see you soon on my channel, bye!